Hi guys. It's me DEEKSHIT. First, wish you all a happy new year. How are you guys? It's been a week I have seen you. I think you all will be good. And I can believe my eyes. You all helped me to reach the 1K subscribers in just 5 months. Thanks to all who helped me. Rambanandrinan Brigala. Nikailama Ainalithai. Santaraka Mutiathu. And the New Year Santos Makakantadunga. This is 1K subscribers special. Me speaking in Tamil may be a comedy. Please adjust guys. Bye to 2020. And once again wish you all a happy new year 2021. Let's get into the video. This video is about the conversation between two Americans in a secret place. And a trailer of a video too. Let's get into the video. Wayne. Hey hi. I did not see you. What are you seeing for a long time? About the famous YouTuber in Tamil Nadu. Who is that? Is it DEEKSHIT.R? Exactly. Do you know him? Yeah, he creates interesting tech videos. Do you know now he is creating an interesting video? About? How to make an animated video. Is that so? I had searched for it all over, but I did not get the best. He creates the best. Let's go to the future to see. No, it's not needed because you can see the trailer in his website. Do you have his website link? Check it in the description of the last video. What is the last video about? How to make intro, which was asked in the comment. Okay Wayne. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to the channel so that you get notification on that. Sure. Like this video too. What do you say Wayne? You like the video, also share the video to your friends. Also comment about the video. See you all in the next video guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye.